All right, let's see what we got going on here. Take these, I'm gonna open them one at a time. We'll see what's what. I think I know what this is. Yeah, that is a rechargeable Dremel power screwdriver. So when I'm working on my truck, things will be a lot easier going forward. Oh, I've been waiting on these. Oh yes. Hot Racing, more Hot Racing upgrade parts. We got steel UV drive shafts. Exciting. What is that? That is the steel spool diff assembly. You might know that I'm going to be building my transmission. Got to make it a little stronger for when we do that motor upgrade. See what else we got going on here. Ooh, I've been waiting on those. That is a bag of red lock nuts. I'm going to go ahead and take out all the black lock nuts and swap those out because you know we got the red carbon fiber, so might as well trim it up. And lastly, let's see what's in this box. Aha, another new bag, my new body. I got another one. Yep. Another body. Throw that over there. And that's all that was in that box. Now, for those that don't know, my truck is a 40th anniversary edition. Check the chassis plate right there. It is chassis number 1441 out of 2003. This is the original limited edition 40th anniversary edition body. You can see I bashed it up pretty good in the first couple weeks. So this was a replacement body that I purchased and painted myself. Trimmed it up, put the stickers on it. However, the paint that I used was the wrong paint. So if you crash into something or if you hit something, the paint just flakes off, okay? That's where this comes into play. Third body, don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I'm gonna paint it up with the correct type of paint this time so it won't flake. We'll get back to that for another episode, but thank you so much for enjoying this video. There's a pile of old parts sitting there that I can probably just get rid of, honestly. But, you know, I'll probably just throw them in a little case or keep them and save them if I ever need them, which I probably won't because, again, this is all carbon fiber, so I don't see me breaking the shock towers or cracking anything anytime soon, especially the aluminum. I'm not going to break the aluminum pieces, but, yeah, more upgrades to come. Thank you. All right, this is exciting. It's the next day, yet again, and another package has been delivered. This one says right there, RC Parts. This came all the way from the UK. So I'm pretty excited about this. Been waiting for a while. You guys wondering what it could be? And I will show you here in just a moment. Let me get my little knife. I'm gonna get this cut open, and yeah, we'll see what's in here. All right. Oh yeah, this is exciting. That is exactly how I expected. Very nice. That is a, oh, let me get a camera view shot here. That is a custom stand for my 40th edition truck. Has my chassis number etched into it. This is laser etched. And yeah. It's great. That's awesome. Super dope. So that's that. Now that's not the only thing that was in this box. Let me get this. And again, this is all the way from the UK. There are a few sheets of these stickers. I'm extremely excited about this because, as you know, I have a 40th edition truck, and as I've shown you previously, my 40th edition body is pretty damaged, it's pretty done for. However, with this sticker sheet, I think you get the picture. And I got a brand new body ready to go. All I gotta do is paint it up, get my stickers on there, and I should be able to do something special. This was a practice run of painting a body. Turned out pretty well. I used the wrong paint, but it did turn out nicely. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is exciting. So there's that.